Hello everyone. So this is a question from RE-NEET 2026. Identify the reactions which give aniline as the major product. Okay, so we have few reactions given to us. The chapters involved is amines. Okay, so let's look into the reactions one by one. So reaction A, we have benzene ring connected to CN. So this guy is benzonitrile and it is reacting with LiAlH4. So this guy is lithium aluminum hydride. Okay. So LiAlH4, that is this guy, is a powerful reducing agent. Okay. It reduces nitriles, which are also known as cyanides. Okay. Those guys containing the CN group. So they are known as nitriles or cyanides. So LiAlH4, being a reducing agent, reduces nitriles or cyanides into 1 degree amines. Okay, into 1 degree amines. So therefore, with respect to reaction, I can write benzonitrile in the presence of LiAlH4 will give me benzene ring CH2 connected to NH2. Okay, so this guy is known as benzyl amine. Okay, so therefore reaction A is not correct because we have to get aniline as the major product. Okay, now coming to reaction B. So here we have benzene ring connected to C double bond O NH2, which is, so this guy is known as benzamide. It is reacting with KOH, which is potassium hydroxide, and Br2, which is bromine. Okay, so whenever a 1 degree amide, important, 1 degree amide, so benzamide is a 1 degree amide because here nitrogen is connected to one carbon. Okay, so whenever 1 degree amide is treated with potassium hydroxide and bromine Br2, it gives a 1 degree amine which has one carbon less than the original amide. So this guy will have one carbon less than the amide that we started with. Okay, that is, with respect to reaction, I can write, so I have benzamide as my starting amide, C double bond O NH2. It will react with Br2, it will react with KOH to give me, so I will get a amine which is having one carbon atom less than the starting amide, which is benzamide. Okay, so I will get aniline plus I will get certain side products like K2CO3 plus KBr plus H2. Okay, upon balancing, I'll have a 2 here, 2 here, and a 4 here. Okay, so this is my benzamide, this is my aniline. Okay, so therefore reaction B is correct, it gives aniline. So reaction B is correct. Then we have reaction C. So here we are starting with benzene ring connected to NO2, which is nitrobenzene. In the presence of NaBH4, NaBH4 is sodium borohydride. So there are two famous reducing agents, okay? Two famous, or you can say strong reducing agents, and those are LiAlH4 and NaBH4. Okay. One thing we should know is that LiAlH4 is more, or you can say much more powerful than NaBH4. So this is more powerful then NaBH4. Okay, so therefore LiAlH4 reduces nitrobenzene. So it reduces nitrobenzene. That is, it reacts with nitrobenzene. But NaBH4 does not reduce nitrobenzene because it is a weak reducing agent compared to LiAlH4. So therefore, in reaction C, you can see we have nitrobenzene in the presence of NaBH4. So therefore, reaction C does not give us aniline. Okay. So coming to reaction D. In reaction D, we have benzene ring connected to NH, which is connected to C double bond O, which is connected to CH3. Okay. And it is reacting with reagents HCl in the presence of H2O, that is acidic hydrolysis and heat. Okay. So this guy is our aceta-anilide. So some extra information. So this guy is formed when we do acetylation of aniline. Okay. So aceta-anilide is formed when we do acetylation of aniline. That is also known as protection of amino group. Protection of amino group. Okay, that is with respect to reaction, whenever we react aniline with acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride is CH3 C double bond O connected to O, C double bond O, CH3. So whenever we react these two guys, we get acetylation happens, that is introduction of a CH3CO group, NH, C double bond O, CH3. Okay, so this is our aceta-anilide. This is how we get our aceta-anilide. Okay, then we are reacting our aceta-anilide in reaction D with HCl and H2O, that is acidic hydrolysis. So whenever we do acidic hydrolysis of aceta-anilide, the acetyl group, that is the CH3CO group, is removed by hydrolysis and an amide is obtained. Okay, so I will write that down. When we do acidic hydrolysis of aceta-anilide, acetyl group, that is CH3 C double bond O group, is removed by, it's removed by hydrolysis and an amide is obtained. Okay, that is with respect to reaction, I can write, I have aceta-anilide, NH connected to C double bond O, CH3 in the presence of HCl and H2O. So this bond is going to break and I will get the okay, I have made a mistake here. So the mistake is when we do acidic hydrolysis of aceta-anilide, acetyl group is removed and an amine is obtained. Okay, not amide. So the amine that we obtain is NH2, which is our aniline, and the other product that we get is CH3COOH. Okay, so therefore reaction D is correct. Okay, it gives us aniline. So this gives us aniline. So therefore, the reactions which give aniline as the major product is reaction B and reaction D. Okay, thank you.